If you put equity under the normal regimes for managing equity on the blockchain, it's just a database. You cannot self-custody equity. And I'm going to say that one more time just so everybody's real clear about this. You cannot self-custody equity. And there are massive reasons and ramifications and complexities of why you cannot self-custody equity. You cannot self-custody equity. And if you make that as a split, some assets you can self-custody, other assets you can't self-custody, then there's another split right beside that. Some assets you can self-custody and you can run over things like ZK. Other assets you can self-custody but you cannot run on over ZK because if they've been through a mixer, nobody will accept them on the other side of that. And this notion of a kind of stratification of the assets depending on issues like self-custody and mixers, I think that's the right way to think about this merging of all these different worlds. You're going to probably wind up with a single integrated set of technologies that will enable you to do damn near anything, but then on top of that there'll be a policy layer that says, I'm very sorry, you cannot put this token in that place. That's just not the way how that token works.